Hey YouTube, just a quick video on how I fixed my CDI. There was basically no information online that I could find about how to do it. Everyone just basically says they're a sealed unit. When it plays up, you chuck it away and you get a new one. That's easier said than done sometimes, especially with this 30 plus year old motor. So finally I stumbled across a video just by a guy called Thinking Outside of Box. So full credit to him. I just want to chuck a video out there just so there's more out there, because I couldn't really find anything and I just happened to stumble across that one video. So his advice was put the CDI in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, or around about 10 minutes, just keep an eye on it. And his theory is that it forces moisture out that has got into the CDI. I don't know if that's true, but it worked for me. And a lot of the comments on his video are saying it worked for other people too. I was sort of a little bit skeptical. I remember the old sort of viral joke about charging your iPhone by putting it in the microwave, and it sounded a little bit like that, but I mean, my CDI wasn't working anyway, so I had nothing to lose. I think I ended up putting it in for about 9 minutes, and sure enough, as soon as I put it back on the outboard, started first pull. So it's worked for me. I hope it helps someone else out. Good luck.